Body awareness. Class, do you know that our body is like a wonderful machine? It is made up of many parts. Each part of our body has an important job. When we know the names of our body parts and what they can do, we can call that body awareness. So, body awareness means understanding where our body parts are and how we can use them in different movements. For example, we can use our eyes to see the board, our ears to listen to music, our hands to write and clap, and our legs to walk and run, and our mouth to eat and talk. If we are aware that our body, we can move better, play safely, and take care of ourselves. Let us now discuss the body parts and its important job to our body. Our head and face. Our head, we have our eyes for seeing, our ears for hearing, our nose for smelling, and our mouth for speaking and eating. Arms and hands. Our hands helps us do many things, and example, the writing, drawing, holding, and clapping. The legs and feet. Legs and feet helps us move from place to place. The torso or body. This part is our body or torso. It holds and connects all our parts together. Without it, we cannot stand straight or balance. Each part of the body is important. We must take care of our body parts so they can do their jobs well. For example, we wash our hands to keep them clean. We eat healthy food for strong legs, and we sleep well to rest our body. Taking care of our body parts like washing our hands, brushing our teeth, resting our eyes, wearing shoes, and sitting properly helps us stay healthy, strong, and ready to play and learn every day. So let us have our activities. Activity number 1, body part relay. Divide learners into 2 groups. Place picture cards of body parts at one end of the room. One learner from each group runs to pick a card, then returns and show it to the group, saying the body part name and its use. For example, hands, to use to hold things rather. Next learner repeats the process until all cards are picked. Activity number 2, my body, I care. Instructions. Teacher shows a large blank body figure on the board. Teacher points to a body part. Then students say the name of the body part and one way to take care of it. For example, the hands. Wash them to stay clean. Repeat for all major parts like head, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, hands, arms, legs, feet, and shoulders. For our activity number 3, titled Chop, Shake, and Smash. Instruction, watch the video provided. Stand up and make space around you so you can move safely. Watch the video carefully and practice each action slowly first. Then try doing them in a row. When the teacher says go, follow the actions in order just like the video. Repeat the movements as many times as needed until you feel coordinated. Have fun and move safely. I hope you learn from our lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.